What is up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you this. It's a multi-purpose cabinet that you can use in your home and also in your kitchen. Well, this one is better for kitchen, the looks, the design, and of course the purpose. So first of all, let me take the measurement of this, and we're going to start from there. So the height is 3 feet and 2 inch, and the length is 2 feet 1 inch, and the depth is 1 feet and 4 inch. So that's the outer measurement of this thing. Now let me start with the material that used in this thing. This all are aluminium, and that's why it's very sturdy. And the rest of it, the corners, you can see all the joints. These are hard plastic, maybe the fiber, I think. And here at the top, you get the tempered glass, which is very strong. And you can see 3 racks are there, and all the base. These are made out of glass, and this frame, this is also aluminium, so it's very strong, and the glass is also very hard, so you don't need to worry about that. And all the 3 are glasses, and the rest of the thing, you can see this frame, this door, this frame, these are also aluminium, and the corners, these are plastic, the handles. And also you get a magnet door lock here, so you just push and gets locked. That's it. So these are the fiberglass, I think, and with the red color with the design. And at the side, let me show you that. These are hard fiber, I think. All of these are hard fiber, and the top, these are totally vented. Lots of small holes there, you can see, so you can keep the cooked stuff in this thing. The vapor will come out from this vents here, and at the back there is also the fiber, hard fiber. So this is the thing. Well, this thing is very good for kitchen, and also it will look good in the kitchen. And that's it. Now let me tell you the price. This thing cost me only 2,200 from a local store, and because I didn't find this kind of thing online, because there are so many glasses in there, so maybe, I don't know. But one more thing is, this thing doesn't come with any warranty, because these are made in China. So when you're gonna buy, you just need to check the thing there, properly inspected. And this thing needs to be assembled, because these are all part by part that stays in one box. And at the shop, they will open the box and all assemble it up, and will give you the final product just like this. And you have to take this thing assembled completely to your home. So once you get it to your home without any scratch, then that's it. It's gonna last long, and it's a very useful thing. So that's it. That's all for today. I wanted to show you this cabinet, multi-purpose cabinet. So hope you like the video, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.